Good evening, everybody. It's Redsquadron4 here for box break number 55 for my first box of 11-12 Dominion. The time is just 11:31 on the 5th of January 2013. There's the serial number. Where is it? So as you can see, it is a little tough. There we go. Good luck, everybody. The first card for the Colorado Avalanche, number 77 of 199, Patrick Waugh. This is card number 33. Not many of these cards, so we're going to go through these a little slower. The next card is a redemption. It's an autographed rookies. Card number 119, Hugh Jessman. I'm going to pause for 10 seconds while I look this up. All right, I'm going to have to look into that card a little bit more. Hugh Jessman. I don't know who he belongs to at this point. Next card is for the Ottawa Senators. That's a really cool 3-color. It's got a 4 break. Eric Pondra, numbered 138 out of 199. The patch card, of course, number 162. Ryan Straight of the Pittsburgh Penguins, number 2 of 25. Also a patch card, very nice. You can see that it's the gold. Card number 197, very low number. And what have we here? We have a Peerless Patches quad, number 10 of 10, for the Philadelphia Flyers. Congratulations. It's, as you can see, Bobby Clark, Lindros Pronger, and Claude Giroux. Another card for the Avalanche, Joe Sakic jersey, number 90 of 100. Card 19. Last card from this tin, Shea Weber, Nashville Predators, number 20 of 199. Card 15. Awesome. Really, really cool to get a booklet. I've been doing contenders for a month and I've never gotten a booklet. In my first box of Dominion, this is what we pull out. Very nice. Have a couple of beautiful patch cards as a little review for Ottawa and for Pittsburgh. I'm going to look one more time for that Hugh Jessamine. And it looks as though it's a Florida Panther card. So Hugh Jessamine is a Florida Panther. He now is, I believe, playing for Ottawa. But he's a Florida Panther in this set. So congratulations, everybody. Thanks again, and we'll see you real soon.